American Legal Publishing offers hosting of your municipal meeting minutes and agendas, including your committee, board, or commission meetings. These documents are available online in PDF format and are arranged in reverse chronological order. The most recent minutes appear at the top of the list. Minutes can be searched using the robust open source Solar search engine under the search icon. For municipalities who also have their Code of Ordinances online, users can choose to search one or both types of publications. To specify the type of publication you want to search, select the document type to include from the drop-down menu under the Advanced Filters section of the search window. You can also narrow your search by date range. Searched minutes will return results with the search terms highlighted. Minutes can be printed or downloaded in PDF format. PDF minutes can be shared or bookmarked. When you select Share or Bookmark, the URL of the link is set to the specific set of minutes the user is on. If you have any questions about how to use a feature on the Code Library, call us at 800-445-5588 or email technical support at techsupport@amlegal.com. Thank you.